Ooh, this lighting looks good. I'm gonna bake. I'm in a very I need to do something, but not do something I normally would like mood. I don't know how to describe it. Basically, I woke up this morning really fucking depressed. Didn't want to exist or be here. I have not gotten a lot better, but I'm like filled with energy, which is awful. Because when you have energy and when you're depressed, like, what are you supposed to do? You don't want to be here. So it's like, how do I channel that energy into doing something that makes me be here? And that includes dropping things on your feet, apparently. That includes making muffins. I'm gonna make muffins. So I have to find a muffin tin, but I'm pretty sure we have it, and if not, I'll just make the bread. But we have very little milk, so I can make this one in particular, because I was gonna make a cake, maybe, because I have cake mix. And instead I will make this, because all it needs is water, oil, eggs, and this. And that's it. And I can just stuff it in our oven at the very end. Can you see that? Convection oven? Is that how you say that? I always forget. I just moved back in with my parents and I haven't used one of these in over a year, so I don't know what they're called anymore. But I'm gonna have this. Yeah, so that's what this video is. I don't know if this will be entertaining or interesting or even shared, but when I want to do something that means that I can just like use space other than sitting at my desk refreshing Tumblr for hours and staring at what I was writing earlier and not being able to finish it. So, we're gonna do this. Fwah! Fuck yeah. Okay, first thing is muffin tin. I hope we have a muffin tin. If we don't, I'll be very sad. I'm gonna call my parents. What's even her phone number? Hey. Hey, do we have a muffin tin?
Yes.
Do you know where it is?
It would be down kind of the door on the left side of the
On the stove?
stove.
Okay.
On the,
Yeah, it was on the second one. Okay. Cool. Thank you.
there might be a couple of them.
Oh, this one should be okay.
Okay.
And I don't see a second one, so.
Uh-huh.
Alright, bye. Okay. I've already lost some of my energy due to that. Yikes. Okay. After all of that, muffin tin has been acquired. Now that I've wasted all my energy on finding said muffin tin, I will proceed to lay on the floor. No, I will proceed to clean this and waste even more energy on this whole escapade. This is why I hate baking. Cooking oil. All we have is olive oil. Okay, we're gonna go on an adventure for a sec. You can see me a bit. Okay. I don't want to turn off the camera, so... Okay. I don't think it matters. I think I can just use my olive oil and I'm good. I was just checking because I may be chaotic, but I don't want to like not be able to eat the food. Moving back to the kitchen. I don't like that one. Yes, much creepier. Love it. I forgot what I was gonna say. Back to cooking, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna use olive oil. I don't suppose it matters. All I have is extra light and extra virgin. We'll go with extra virgin because this is my first time cooking since being back at my parents' house. This is why I don't have friends. I might end up fucking this up anyway. But you know what? It's okay. Here. Probably gonna fuck this up. I don't even know where our measuring cups are. And they're like liquid. What am I saying? Guys, I don't know where the liquid measuring cup is. I don't want to call my parents again. Found it! I'm so smart! Oh, fucking hell. Okay. Okay, so this can be the oil. I'm gonna pour the oil first because it's oil and it's vinegar and water, isn't it? Or vinegar and oil. It's not oil and water, is it? Never mind. A little less than a half. Ooh, does it matter that much? I feel like we don't have more oil. Like, it's not virgin, it's just light. Oh, it's just extra light. Good lord. I'm opening it for the first time. Technically a virgin. We're still okay. Ooh. So, should I bring you over here? The lighting is terrible. That's why I didn't bring you over here. And also my hair looks bad and I look bad because I always look bad. Oh, where could I even put you? Is this tall enough or short enough? I can put you up here. You can't see anything that I'm doing still and the lighting is awful, but that's okay. So here, muffin tin, which I'm still not using. Why do I have a muffin tin? Alright. This is what I'm going to use. I have this. And I have this. Also, if you didn't read it, and I didn't explain, I'm making pumpkin bread, but muffins. So pumpkin muffins. It'd be pumpkin muffins, right? Not pumpkin bread muffins. Sweet. Hang on. Ah! Come on! Snip, snip, motherfucker. Ooh, that smells really good. Wow, that is a lot of... one container. Okay, I was right. Which would be better to pour in first? I don't know anything about anything right now. We're just going to pour in the water. And then we're going to pour in the oil. Which is probably a bad idea. Maybe I should have mixed it before. But too late. Use wood because we are all natural in this house, and there's no plastic or... I just picked it because I'm lazy and I didn't want to dig for something else. Okay, it looks awful, so I think you should be glad that you're looking at me and not what I'm mixing right now, because it looks terrible. Ooh, and it doesn't smell all that great either. I think it's because of the olive oil. Seriously, this is all it takes? The eggs! I forgot the eggs. So fucking dumb. Oh, thank God. I just realized I didn't check to make sure we had 3 eggs. I'm so chaotic. Why do people think I'm a lawful good? Like, you're shitting me, right? Ooh. 1. 2. And 3. I feel like I'm Julian. Jenna's partner. They're not married, right? Yeah. I feel like I'm Julian right now, and I'm not even in Aries. Doop, doop. Stab the eggs. Stab them. They're dead. They're not even alive. I hope this makes it smell better because in mirror it's okay. I'm not stabbing. I'm stabbing eggs. Is that why you're upset? I'm so sorry. I will be done in just a sec. I will never say stab eggs in front of you again. Speaking of eggs, not stabbing, because Lord knows we're not gonna stab anything actually living. There are, I don't know if I already mentioned this somewhere, but there are 2 baby mourning doves up on the porch outside. My heart is so full and happy because my favorite kind of bird that comes to your feeder, usually, although Lord knows we attract just about anything else, is a mourning dove. And mourning doves don't even always come to feeders either. But anyway, I have a long history of loving mourning doves and of being connected with them. When I was a child, the tree outside of my bedroom window, it's a fir tree, or a pine tree that looks like a fir tree. It's very old and it didn't really grow properly, so it's not doing too well, but mourning doves would nest in it like every spring right outside my door. So I have seen many generations of mourning doves. They're my favorite bird. My camera is about to die. Fantastic! I love being chaotic. Okay, lighting is even worse because the sun is setting, or is being hidden by clouds, or it's later. Okay, so while my camera was while files were being pulled off my camera, that is a sentence, a start of a sentence, I finished mixing, so I'm going to pour them into this now, and then I should start the oven first if I can. So I'm going to start the oven. That is what I'm doing, and then I'm going to pour them into that, and then we will wait, or you won't wait, but I will wait. And yeah, that's how great this is. Okay. Oh, also, because I think I mentioned I have a cake mix, I found this. So I can make a funfetti cake out of the cake mix that I have. So that's what I'm going to do. Not today. But when I make the cake, or cakes, because we have multiple cake tin things, I'm going to use this. Okay, so I'm just going to have to hope. I guess I could put some butter down in there. Alright, bake. Alright. Can I put you at higher elevation? Kind of. Yeah, that's a little better. The lighting's still awful in here. Oops. You know what? I'll do this instead. All the way over here. You can see me, and it's a little more interesting, hopefully. God, I should have done this while I was waiting for that too. So much time. That's gonna have to work. And now we pour. Terrible start. This is why I should not have rights. Okay. That tastes good. Okay, we're gonna let that cook. Let's see if I have enough for a small tin. Ideally, I could just make more muffins because we have another muffin tin. So I might do that. As you can tell, I've lost all of my previous chaotic energy. Just very frustrating. But I made muffins and they taste pretty good, so I'm excited. So, light is on because it's too dark. I need a... Don't know where I'm gonna put it though, because it's not like I have space on the stove. So I guess I'm gonna put it up here. I'm gonna put this here. I'll put this in for. We'll just go with the 7 minutes again. Okay. I'm like really hungry now, so I'm gonna put you here and you're not gonna be able to see anything. Yeah. Ooh, they smell so good. I know you guys can't smell them, but I promise they smell good. And it's coming from me, someone who does not like food. And they come out good. Ooh, okay. The butter was a good decision, y'all. I made a good decision. Okay. How will this work? Should I like point down on it? I don't know. Maybe I can do this. What can you see? Can you see? Yeah. So it sounds good. And now I'm cutting. Ooh. Well, it's coming a little apart. See all that steam? Yeah. This baked really, really tender. So it's like moist and easy to chew. Sorry, my chest hurts. Sometimes I eat food and I feel like my body just like throws it down into my lungs. I don't swallow wrong. It just hurts when I eat. It's great. Yeah, it's good. I don't know what else to do now because I've never done one of these before. I'm just gonna go sit in my room and eat muffins, I guess. I guess this ends this video. I don't know what this is. Or if I'll do anything else like it in the future. I'd like to. But yeah. I'm happy. Also, excuse the fan. It's like 90 degrees today and I can't function at all. So, I made muffins instead of dealing with anything. Now I'm gonna hopefully write, because I have writing rules. Stay safe. You're lovely. I got your back. I don't remember what my outro is.